Then you can look away without. Dad, which one are we trying to get to?
So,
We go to the...
so today we're visiting the 4 waterfalls
With Delilah.
with baby Delilah.
She's very cute. So
She
let's
is.
take the picture.
So yeah, we brought the little one today with us, Delilah.
She wanted to come. She was crying.
Yep.
She wanted to come.
Say, hiya Delilah. Oh, hiya.
Dad, there's things coming in her eyes. We haven't been since November. Yeah, you
There,
see.
girls.
That's a little studio. I'm actually going next to.
Wow. Ah.
Look.
Wow. Alexa, take a picture of me and Delilah, ready? So yeah, decided to take the girls out. Get them out of the house. Burn off some Christmas pounds, I think.
And Delilah.
We've all had a good munch the last few days. But look at this place, what a place to come.
It looks lovely.
Yep.
We're trying to get to the biggest one.
And we finally got a little Dee out, Delilah. And she's absolutely loving life right now.
Yes. Until she's...
And you, Delilah?
Hi.
Yep. There's Georgie. There's the other wild simple camper, Alexa.
Delilah should be one of those.
And then a new member to the crew, Delilah.
No.
Yep.
But we can go walk.
She loves it.
That's a big cat. Like a mountain. Big. Oh, I remember. No, they aren't. They just stay still.
Delilah, you say hiya?
No.
Yes, she's absolutely loving life. Little Delilah is. Say hiya, Delilah. Say hiya. Yes. First time outdoors with a little one. Yes. A wild simple camper in the making. Yeah. Yes. What do you reckon, Dee Dee? Wow, look at that. Yes.
My eyes are really
So hiya, girls. So yeah, we got up to the house today. We did too much. I think the girls are getting a bit bored. Too much toys they can play with. And I thought, yes, get outdoors. Obviously, I haven't had a camp out for a while. But I got a camp planned on the 11th of January with the Welsh Wanderer. So yeah, look forward to that one. You coming camping on the 11th, girls? With Dawes? Yeah? That's a date then. Well, you come camping too? I don't think so, madam. I don't think so.
We can take a walk. Like, if we go to full point, we can take
Yeah.
a walk.
Right, watch you don't slip here. So there. That's what we're gonna do. We'll have some food in a bit now and then return home. So. Wow. Right, girls?
Where are we?
It's not a big one, no.
Oh.
Yeah.
Off the ground.
Really lovely.
My back's hurting now.
Yeah, yeah.
So when we be having snacks too.
You had snacks on here now. Yeah.
Let's say something you can walk
Didi. Hey. Yes.
Whoa.
Yeah, yeah.
Say hi. Go. Go.
Right, watch you don't trip and slip, girls.
Go. Go. Yeah.
Hey.
Actually,
Yes, Delilah. Yeah, you tell them. Say yeah. Say yeah. Say yeah. Told you she loves it. Yeah. So yeah, just a little walk. Obviously we left it late today, but Delilah got to see one of the waterfalls.
The big, well, it's not really big for us.
Yep. But it's starting to get dark now, so back to the car. Give this little one some food and a bottle. They can have their snacks, and then we'll head home. But yeah, lovely relaxing walk up here. One of our favourite places to walk, this is. Yeah, and Delilah loves it. Yes. So yeah, just a little walk. Obviously we left it late today, but Delilah got to see one of the waterfalls.
The big, well, it's not really big for us.
Yep. But it's starting to get dark now, so back to the car. Give this little one some food and a bottle. They can have their snacks, and then we'll head home. But yeah, lovely relaxing walk up here. One of our favourite places to walk, this is. Yeah, and Delilah loves it. Yes. Yeah.
Alexis, am I going back? Yeah. You are? Oh, yeah.
Yep. Did Didi like your walk? Do. Does Didi like your walk? Yeah? Yeah. Say hiya. Have some food now. Yeah. 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 I know.
Oh, let's see you sat for this. You actually sat for this. Yeah, I know.
See ya, Dee Dee. See ya. Do, 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 do.
Yeah.
Georgie Podgy, come on. Wow.
Alexa, can I see yours? Oh my! Mine is very dirty. Alexa, is it okay if I put it in
Ooh. Ooh. So yeah, we had a lovely walk. This baby carrier harness, very comfortable. Delilah's happy in it. I'm happy in it.
Yeah, she's done.
Yes.
She's put her hands
Put
up
on
like
that
that.
Amazon, I think. Yeah, Amazon, I got you. First time we ever used it. Delilah's first time out in the wild. And she absolutely loved it. Just like your daddy. Loved it. Hey! Yay! Oh, how are you feeling, girls?
Good.
Yeah.
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 What are you doing? What are you doing?
Mm.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
She just said yeah. Donna, I think she just said yeah.
Yeah.
Delilah, go I. Then it's I. For you? Yeah, we are, I think.
Mhm.
Whee!
Yeah, we clean them.
Delilah! What are you doing? Dad, she's putting the thing up trying to eat it.
So yeah, almost
Delilah.
back to the entrance. We have some snacks now, Delilah. Give her a
Yeah.
bottle and some food. She's starting to get a bit hungry.
Because she sounds a bit hungry, so she needs food.
Yeah.
So we're eating in the park, so...
Yeah. Yeah, lovely walk. Happy days.
Delilah loved it.